Hello guys, so much more videos today. We're going playing tower. So anyways, we're going to play the game. So I can't even just play because I can't leave it. And also I keep lagging for no reason. So anyways, I'm going to play the game. That's called the easy game. So Jan the tower, guys. This the Jan the tower. So anyways, guys, watch more videos and subscribe now. Also hit the notification. So welcome to 104. So let me know in comments, okay? Be careful, guys. Stop making me. Oh my god, go. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I'm about to win, guys. I'm about to win. So let me know in comments, okay? I'm about to win for further, I guess. So anyways, this girl wanted to just get an AFK, guys. I think I wanna about to. Bruh, come on, guys. 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 Bro, I'm lagging. I'm lagging. I keep lagging for no reason. How can I do it? Not fair. I can't even. I can't even do. How's that? I can't do it because I'm about to lose. I can't even do it, guys. Oh my god. I can do it by myself. Okay. But okay. Let's go. How can I do it? How can I do it? I don't know how to do it. I think it's harder. I think it's harder. What's that? A woody? Grand spawning a woody. This one's hard. This one's hard. This one's hard. This one's hard. Oh my god, we're going to go there. What's that? Woody. Oh my god, it's easy, guys. I think it's easy. So I'm about to win, guys. I'm about to win. I think it's easy to win this game. I think it's easy to win this. What's that? A player? Player or not, guys? So let me know in comments. Oh my god, wow. I think it's probably. Oh wait, I'm not falling. Can I choose it whatever I want? Wait, I should just choose this purple. I think I'm about to win, guys. So let me know in comments, okay? So there are so many players in this game of the private server, I think. Bro, I keep falling. Okay. So anyways, where's the? Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I'm about to win, guys. I'm about to win. I'm not going to win. I'm going to win easily. The end guys. Tug, tug, tug. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I think I am about to win, guys. This is my name, guys. My name, guys. Okay. Still want to speak English, I think. I just wanting me to speak English if I want. So let me know in the comments, okay? Okay. What's that? Okay. Okay. Bro, no, no, no! No! Okay, next is this. The tower. Gallo Tower. The Gallo Tower. So I'm going to beat it now. So this is the easy game. I think I'm about to win. I wonder this is the easy game. What? How can I do it? Can I do shift block? Can't even shift block. Only I can just. I can't. What the heck? Can I just use the ladder? Or just maybe not? How? I can't even do it. Oh wait, I should just do it whatever I want. Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm about to win. I can do it! Wow! Wait, can I just do it whatever I want? Oh my god, I can do it! I can do it! Wow! That's a talent! Oh my god, do not fall. If I'm not gonna be a talent, guys. Bro, this annoying ant. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Yes, it's easy, guys. I think it's easy. Whoop, 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 whoop. You're trying me. Easy, easy. I wanna beat that game, guys. I wanna beat that game. Oh my god. I think it's easy. I just made it farther. How can I do it? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Can I just do whatever? Squeeze. Oh wait, I could just squeeze myself in. Ah! Wait, what about let's do like I should just squeeze myself in. Let me just fart myself. Let me fart. Utot. Oh my god, it's easy. I think it's easy to beat it. Oh my god, guys. Um, please, um, I'm about to just win. Uh, oh my god, it's so hard. This one's hard. Then I look like, oh my god, guys. Oh my god! How can I do it? Whatever I want. How can I do it? Cheating. How dare you? Wow! I'm at the top. Wait, can I do like this? Oh wait, I should just do like this. For 6 back, I think. So I'm not gonna fall, guys. Right, guys? So, anyways. Woo! Oh my god, I almost made it to the top, guys. We made it. No, how could I do it? No! I'm about to die and fall. Um, ship blood. Ship blood. Oh, no, 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 no. Nope. 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 Oh my god, it's so hard. This one's hard. Gum. Gum. How? Not in good time. So, goodbye, guys.